yeah, today is Wednesday, 22nd of March 2017. It is 33 days after Jacob Wetterling's birthday. And 33 is the value of the word gay. So I don't know, maybe this is Jake's gay thunderstorm? Rainstorm? Purple rainstorm? It's not very purple. It's looking pretty heavy out there though. Coming down into Erwin on Hindmarsh Drive. So we had, right across most of our area, including at my place, we had an inch of rain yesterday, or 25 mils, and the same the day before. And a few days before that we had 19 mils, so it's gone from being really dry to fairly wet, just in the space of about a week. Certainly in the last 2 days. The grass is really greening up. It's amazing how fast everything can go from being really dry to really green at this time of year. Like I said, 22nd of March. It's the perfect time for rain if you're hoping for the grass to grow a lot. Which of course most of the farmers are always hoping. Lots of grass, lots of feed,